So, Sofirn SR20 MINI CSP 2323 5700 kelvins box. Inside we have the manual, we have spare O-rings, lanyard, charging cable. Here we have ANSI chart and user manual in different languages. Flashlight is very small with 6 LEDs, 3 red, 3 white, button, charging port for USB-C, quite deep charging port. Not all cables may fit. We have battery indicator, magnetic tail cap, as you can see. Inside we have 18350 battery, 1100 milliamperes, and we can also unscrew this part where we can see the spring. So 2 sides with the springs, very nice. Yeah, so UI, quite simple. Hold for eco, press to turn on, hold to switch modes, double press turbo, triple press red, hold switch modes, blink with 2 clicks, 3 clicks on white strobe, and that's it. Simple UI and simple small EDC flashlight. Now let's see how it performs in the dark. See you there. Now, final thoughts about this flashlight. I don't like that it uses this small battery, but I guess you can fit another here if you change this. Plus is that it's high CRI and it has red beam. What I don't like, there is no straight go to red, so you have to press to turn on the flashlight, then 3 press to go to red. And it's annoying because if, for example, you want to turn on red when you don't want to shine the light, you have to turn it on and it may be on the higher mode. That's it. That's what I think about it. Let me know what you think about this flashlight, and see you next time in the next review. Thanks for watching and goodbye.